Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download the Outlook app on your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. To download the Outlook app, start by heading to your Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Store. This will bring up the Microsoft Store application where all your Microsoft software is displayed. Once the store opens, you'll see several categories and featured apps. But to make things easier and save time, simply look at the top part of your Microsoft Store window. You'll see a search bar there. Click on the search bar and type in Outlook, then hit enter. This will help you find the app directly without having to browse through multiple categories. Now you'll be presented with a list of apps that are somewhat similar to how Outlook functions, along with other Microsoft apps that might appear in the search results. From this list of apps, look for and click on Outlook for Windows. This is the official Microsoft Outlook application you want to install. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the app's overview page where you can learn more about what it offers. Take a moment to read through the description along with the user ratings and additional information. This will help you understand the app's features and also check its compatibility with your system unit to ensure it will run smoothly on your computer. Once you're ready and confident about installing the app, scroll back up to the top of the page. You'll see an install button prominently displayed there. Click on this button and the download will start immediately. All you have to do now is wait until the download finishes. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. After the download completes, the installation process will start automatically right after, so you won't need to do anything else manually. Simply follow the installation wizard that appears on your screen to complete the installation. The wizard will guide you through the remaining steps and ensure Outlook is properly set up on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Outlook app on your Windows device, and you're now ready to manage your emails and stay organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.